Out here, we've got Border Patrol. Go out and shake their hands, folks. These are the people that just do amazing things for us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So be sure to thank them while you're out here today. This is a great opportunity to show your appreciation, not only to the military, but also to our first responders that are out here today. Again, we cannot overemphasize how important it is to drink plenty of fluids while you're out here today. Water is free and available on the ramp area, so please avail yourself of that. Again, you heard the F-35. That was a short demo of the F-35 and how noisy it was. That's why you need those earplugs, why you need the air protection. Now, if worse comes to worse, just use the two things God gave you and stick them in your ear if you have to. But air protection is very, very important, especially Anthony Oshinuga. Coming to us from San Diego, California in the Pitts S1. He was originally born in Austin, Texas. Yeehaw. His parents are both from Nigeria. He's the eldest of 4 siblings. Smoke is on. Watch now as Anthony enters the box. Here we go. He's got some altitude. He's going to exchange for airspeed. Here he comes. The nose comes down. Smoking. He's letting us know he's getting ready to get started. Anthony grew up in Victorville, California. In 2015, Anthony made history by becoming the first African American to enter the Reno National Championship air race and earn a podium finish. In 2019, Anthony made history again, becoming the first person to fly underneath a jumping Monster Jam truck on the reality TV show Diesel Brothers, which aired on the Discovery Channel. Anthony high into your right. Getting ready to enter the aerobatic box and begin his performance here at the 2025 Southern California Airshow. Here's a thing of beauty taxiing in front of us right now, the P-38 Lightning. This is the granddad of the P-38 Lightning II. If you ever wonder where the Lightning II got its name from, it's after this aircraft right here, the twin-engine P-38 Lightning. Going vertical, straight up, straight up, straight up, and rolling at the same time. Takes the aircraft straight up, straight up, straight up. Watch the airspeed put off the zero right there. Kicks his left runner and comes down to the hammerhead. Both on the stick, make about 4 G's, pushing him down to the seat right there. The beautiful red Pitts aircraft going straight up, well, watch as he pushes the stick over in a Humvee bump. An hour, you know how that feels. Anthony Oshinuga flying the pitch S1. Here he comes from your left. He's got that nose pointed down, building up a lot of airspeed as he approaches show center. Got that rubber band up real tight line and well, we call it a 4-point hesitation roll, but Anthony rarely hesitates as he completes the hesitation 4-point roll, keeping a perfect line right across the sky. Anthony coming down the 45, a snap into knife edge. Accelerating towards Airshow 7. Not engine noise, it's actually propeller noise. Watch now as Anthony takes the aircraft across the top. Down the 45-degree line, he rolls the aircraft out. Watch this. Tight, high G turn, right to the left, now to the right. Again, we're looking at about a 4G turn, about 4 times the force of gravity, pushing Anthony down in the seat. African-American pilots that fly right now, air racing competition, aerobatics, or even Airshow, and making history. But I want there to be more African-Americans to be aerobatic pilots. I don't want to be the only one. I want to be known as the first African-American aerobatic pilot, but I don't want to be the only one ever. Come on, people, jump in. Helping make the dream of flying over wine country a reality. Ray has been instrumental in championing Anthony's flights, and today he's here with his family enjoying the show. So a big shout out to them. And nice fly by Anthony Oshinuga. Great to have him here this weekend at the 2025 Southern California Airshow. His sponsors include EFI Flight School, Alpine Stars, Rose Aviation, and some serious. Anthony right overhead from behind, showing off his beautiful red and white Pitts aircraft. Great performance by Anthony. Great to have him here. Again, just more of the fun and excitement here at the 2025 Southern California Airshow. Still more to go. Don't go anywhere like the old commercials, but wait, there's more. We do have more. We still got the F-35 coming away. More Warbirds. You just saw them taxiing out in a few moments. We're going to take you back to 1940s, World War II. We're going to dial back